There's a homeless crisis in almost every county in Ireland, and Clare is no different. The failure of this government to build social and affordable housing over the last number of years is causing an enormous burden on the lives of so many people. We see families with their young children being accommodated in an emergency environment, in hotels and family hubs. It's having a devastating impact on the lives of so many people. And what's needed now is for the next government to put in place a plan to build an adequate amount of social and affordable housing. The lack of housing is also having a very significant impact on the rental sector. Rent prices are spiralling out of control. Parents in this county are finding it difficult to pay for their children's education in our cities as they travel to third level education. The cost of rent for students is a major burden on these families. So there is an entire breakdown in our housing and in our building sector. If Fianna Fáil are back in power, we will build social and affordable houses, providing homes for families and individuals, reducing rents in a manner that's sustainable. This is such an important aspect that has to be addressed.